Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Do you want to automate your WhatsApp messaging as soon as you receive a new Facebook lead? Do you spend a lot of time manually sending the messages to your Facebook leads, or you are not able to send a personalized WhatsApp message to all the leads which you are capturing? Here in this workflow, I'm going to give you the solution for it. Just in 5 minutes, you will learn how you can connect your Facebook with Pabbly chat flow to send the WhatsApp messages. If you also want to learn how you can create this for your business, let's start creating this from the beginning, step by step. So here in this video, we are going to see just in 5 minutes how we can connect Facebook with Pabbly chat flow to send the WhatsApp messages. For this, we are going to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Also, there is a special extra discount going on this coupon. So if you use this coupon, you will get a lot of discount compared to other coupons. Now, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared. I'm going to select this Pabbly Connect access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect. I have my workflows over here and the folders over here. I'm going to create a new workflow for which I'm going to click on this create from scratch and name this workflow as connect Facebook leads to WhatsApp automatically. And now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message is sent, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in the trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application, in the action application, I will be taking Pabbly chat flow to send the WhatsApp message. In the trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. I've already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why I'm going to continue with the same account. So continue as Jessie. You will see Facebook lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. It is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. Now I have to enter the page. Now in this drop down, you can see all the pages which I have. I'm going to select this digital dynamics. So I'm going to enter digital dynamics, and then I'm going to enter the lead gen form. To get this lead gen form, I'm going to open Metaphor Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After that, I have to scroll down and then go towards this developer tools. As I land towards the developer tools page, I have to scroll down and then search for this lead ads RTO debug tool. I will be landed towards the lead ads testing tool where I have to select the page and the lead gen form. To select this page, I'm going to enter the name of the same page, Digital Dynamics, and then I'm going to enter the form. In this drop down, you can see all the forms which I have. I'm going to select this form, go back towards my workflow and select the same form, this one, and then I have to click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do that, I'm going to first delete the lead from here and refresh the page once, but when you will be running a live campaign, you need not have to do this again and again. So here I have deleted the lead. I'm again going to select the page and the form as delete form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. I have entered all the details. The name is demo, user is the last name, email address is test@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number. I'll click on this continue, click on this submit. Here, as soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be captured in my workflow. Let me open my workflow. Let's wait for the webhook response. Here I have received the response 10 seconds ago. The first name is demo, last name is user, email address is test@pabblyhuge.com, and this is the phone number. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can say the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new lead, I want to send WhatsApp message. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for Pabbly chat flow. In the action event, I'm going to select send text message and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. Then I have to enter the token. In the help desk, a hyperlink is given. If I click on this, I will be redirected towards this page. From here, I have to select Pabbly chat flow and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly chat flow, where I have to go towards the APIs. Now, how to find this API? On the left hand side, you have the settings. Click on the settings and go towards this APIs and webhooks. I simply have to copy this and paste it over here. I have already built the connection multiple times, so I'm going to select the existing connection, save this. In this manner, Pabbly chat flow will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. Now over here, I'm not going to enter the details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Facebook lead ads, and then I'm going to enter the phone number. Now over here, you see that I have received the plus sign with the phone number and the country code, but I have to enter without plus sign. So we need to format this first. For that, I'm going to save this step and then I'm going to cross this, click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for text formatter by Pabbly. In the action event, I'm going to select text basic formatting and then click on connect. In the string, I'm going to map the phone number, and the phone number is this. In the transform, I'm going to select extract number, click on save and send test request, and the numbers are extracted. Now I'm going to map it over here. So over here, I have received the response from this text formatter, and this is the phone number. Now I'm going to enter the WhatsApp message like this. Here I have entered the message. Hi, thanks for your interest in our service. We received your inquiry from Facebook and we are happy to help. Now over here, I'm going to enter /. I have to send a personalized message. So for that, I'm going to enter / here. Then I'm going to go towards this Facebook lead ads and enter the first message. If you want, you can enter the full name. Now over here, you see mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response, and that's why we map it instead of manually entering it. Now I have entered these details. I'm not going to enter anything in these fields. These fields are not required one. If you want to enter, you can enter following the head desk given below. Over here, I'm going to remove this phone number and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message on the execution of this workflow. After doing all this, I'll hit save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. We have received the response and this response is a positive one. The message has been sent. Let me open my WhatsApp and here it is. I have received this personalized message. Hi demo, thanks for your interest in our service. We received your inquiry from Facebook and we are happy to help. This is the same exact message. This is how we have built the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly chat flow using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation, and before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.